Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 9, subject higher mathematics, chapter name set and function, exercise 1.2, lecture 4. Today's lesson, to explain function and its graphs. At first I will explain linear functions. The general form of a linear function is f of x is equal to mx plus b. This function is a function of x and the power of x will be 1, and here also variable x, and the function, that's mean linear function, the power of variable will be 1, where m and n be real numbers. The graph of this function is a line whose slope is m and the intercept of y-axis is b. I will explain about slope in detail in next mean chapter 11 in this subject, that's higher mathematics. Chapter 11 I will discuss about slope. Just I will give some idea about slope. Slope mean when a straight line makes an angle with positive direction of x-axis, then the trigonometric tangent of this angle is the slope of this straight line or of this graph, and the intercept of y-axis is b, mean the graph intercept from y-axis, that will be b. Okay, next follow and you will be clear about this. If m is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2, so we can have the function f of x this is equal to 3x plus 2. b is equal to 2 mean from the graph follow here, from here to here this is equal to 2. That's mean intercepting part from y-axis, this is 2, this is b. Clear? And m mean trigonometric tangent of this angle. Trigonometric tangent, if the angle is here this equal to 45 degree, then slope will be tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree mean 1. This is a slope. Okay, and from here f of x and y are same because y is the image of x and also f of x is an image of x. So f of x and y we can write same, no problem. So y is equal to 3x plus 2. When x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to 4. Calculate 3 into minus 2 mean 6 plus minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2 mean minus 4. When x is equal to minus 1, then f of x or y this is equal to minus 1, because 3 into minus 1 mean minus 3 plus 2 mean minus 1. When x is equal to 0, then f of x or y this is equal to 2. When x is equal to 1, then f of x or y this is equal to 5. When x is equal to 2, 3 into 2 plus 2 mean 8, then y or f of x this is equal to y. And the graph will be this. And how to put the point on graphs we have already known, because in class 8 we have solved related graph, a linear function, a linear equation, simple simultaneous equation. Okay, just we have to put the point on the graph, and by joining them we'll get the graph of this function, of this linear function, and the graph of this linear function will be straight line. Okay, and if the graph intercept y-axis at single point, the graph intersect y-axis at single point, then it is called function. So from graph we can easily identify the graph will be, or the function will be, the function mean of given condition or given equation will be function or not. We can easily identify from the graph. How? If the graph intersect y-axis at single point, then it is function. Otherwise not function. When it intersect y-axis more than one point, then it is not function. Clear this? As for example, circle is not a function because the graph of circle will be this. This graph intercept y-axis, this point, more than one point. That's mean intersect 2 points. So circle is not a function. Clear? Clear everyone? Okay. Now applying this, you can easily solve the 13 number in your book, exercise 1.2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can easily solve this. Okay. Now quadratic function. A quadratic function is a function which can be described by the equation y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. If a equal to 0, then it is not quadratic, because this part absent. So this will be linear, so a not equal to 0. Suppose in this function a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to minus 1. So y equal to ax square plus bx plus c can be written as y equal to x square minus 4x minus 1. We can get the related values of x and y from the described function, which is shown in the following table. When x is equal to minus 1, then x square minus 4x minus 1, this is equal to y. That's mean this is equal to 4, 0, this is equal to minus 1, 1, this is equal to minus 4, this is equal to minus 5, 3, this is equal to minus 4, 4, this is equal to minus 1, and 5, this is equal to 4. And the graph will be like this. This is a parabolic form. Okay, this is a parabolic form. By putting the point and joining the point, we'll get this graph. This is a parabola or parabolic form. So for quadratic function with single quadratic, that's mean here x and y, two variables, but only one will be quadratic function. X is a quadratic here. That's mean single variable is quadratic. Then the graph will be this parabolic. And the characteristics of this graph. This is the required graph of quadratic function. That's mean before graph. Let's observe some general properties of this quadratic function. One number, the graph is paraboloid shaped, symmetric point NEP found about y-axis or parallel to y-axis. The value of the function will be maximum or minimum at a certain point. Again, graph of circle. Noted that P, Q and R are constants, and if are not equal to 0, then in R mean then in real number, the graph of a relation is this equal to xy such that x minus p whole square plus y minus q whole square, this equal to r square, is a circle whose center is the point PQ and radius is r. You can follow your general math book class 9-10. In the graph prepared by plotting the point PQ as center and taking r as radius, we can draw a circle which will represent the graph. Now follow example 35. S is equal to xy such that x square plus y square is equal to 16. Therefore, the graph of S is a circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 square with center 0, 0 and radius r is equal to 4. The graph of S is shown below. Here we put 0, 4, 0, minus 4, 4, 0, minus 4, 0 and radius will be 4. Okay, and the graph will be like this. Now assessment. Draw the graph of the relation S and determine whether the relation is function from the graph. Okay, this is the equation of circle, this is the equation of parabola, and the equation of circle or graph of circle will not be function because this is cut more than one point on y-axis. Parabola will be either function or not. If cut more than one point from or on y-axis, then it is function, not function, otherwise that will be function. Clear? So I think that everybody will solve all the math on exercise 1.2. Okay, and if any one of you face problem, you can share with me, no problem, I will help. And the copy will submit 7 to 2021 time 11 a.m. So today up to this, thank you to all everyone, goodbye.